Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify product listing compliance on Amazon Seller Central, full guide step by step clearly. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory tab in the top menu. Select Manage Inventory from the drop-down menu. Locate the product listing you want to verify for compliance. Click on the checkbox next to the product. Select Edit from the Actions menu on the right. In the product editing interface, check the key attributes including title, images, and description. Ensure that the title follows Amazon's guidelines regarding length and keywords. Verify that your product images meet Amazon's quality standards, including size and background. Examine the product description for appropriate content and keyword usage. Scroll down to the compliance section if applicable, to review any required compliance documents. Upload any necessary documents such as certificates or safety information as required by your product category. Check the Offer tab to ensure pricing, condition, and fulfillment method align with Amazon's policies. Review the Compliance tab for warnings or alerts related to your listing. Make sure to address any compliance issues flagged by Amazon. Save your changes at the bottom of the editing page. Monitor your email for any notifications from Amazon related to your product listing status. Regularly review your product listings for ongoing compliance with Amazon's policies. Stay updated on Amazon's policies and guidelines, as they may change over time. Utilize Amazon's help resources for any questions regarding compliance. Conduct periodic audits of your inventory to maintain compliance across all. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.